Welcome to Ukrainian dance tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you the Backward Mlin. This is a challenging trick that requires coordination, strength and endurance. It differs from the regular Mlin because you must keep your gaze straight forward and lift your torso while spinning backward. To better understand this movement, I recommend looking at the ballet turn called fouette. It's a great comparison. Are you ready to start? Let's go! Step 1. Preparation. Sit on your left leg with the heel lifted. Your right leg is straight and extended to the side. Lower your torso so you can make a strong push with your hands. Then lift your torso back up right after the push. Your body should stay on a vertical axis, otherwise you may lose your control and fall. Step 2. Now stand up and practice a fouette-style turn. Make a full circle with your leg, but keep your gaze straight forward. You don't need to lift your leg high. This exercise helps you understand how your head and body work together. Keep your head steady as long as possible. Then, turn it quickly, keeping your focus on one point in front of you. Step 3. Now combine the preparation from step 1 with the turn from step 2. It's okay if you can't do it on the first try. This trick takes time and practice. Start by making one full circle. When you can do that confidently, try doing several with a pause between each. Then, when you feel ready, connect them without pauses. How many circles did you make? I hope you had fun. See you in the next tutorial.